how to fix TikTok effects problem. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how to fix any problem you have with any effect on TikTok app. So all what you want to do first is make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok. If you don't have it, then you have to go to the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone, search for TikTok and then update it. That's the first thing you want to do. The second thing is you have to go into the settings, open the apps manager like this. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, and after that you have now to scroll until you find TikTok like this. Click on it and then click on this force stop option, and then go to the permissions and make sure that all those permissions are enabled. And the last thing you want to do is go to the data usage and enable all those options and disable only the roaming data. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe.